Okay guys, I got my 2014 Chevy Cruze here, and the trunk latch broke on me yesterday. You see how loose that is. Um, you can buy these on Amazon or eBay, whatever. There's genuine GM ones and there's China ones. I just bought this one from China. I'll see how long it works. If not, it was only 15 bucks, so what's the big deal? So to swap this out, you're gonna pop your trunk here. And you can see here these two holes. You got two of those little plastic screw pop rivets. You're going to pull those off. And then right here you can see the handle. There's a little handle here that comes off with some torque screws. And if you slide this cover out of the way, the latch itself has a couple torque screws on it. And then there's some electronics here to unhook. And there's your latch spring here to unhook. You can see there's a little door there. See that slides open? That's the door that allows you to get in here to the spring and release it. So it's simple. Take all these things off, put your spring and your electronics into your new one, and screw it back in and put it back together, and you should have a newly functioning trunk latch on your Chevy Cruze. If you like this, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to put more videos up all the time. If you have questions, let me know. I'm happy to answer them. Thanks.